Nino Pastor, happy Pastor's Appreciation Day po sa inyo, and we are so thankful to God dahil ginamit kayo ni Lord na maging pioneer na pastor namin sa bayan ng Luna, and we pray for your protection and guidance lagi dyan, Pastor, sa New Zealand and saan ka man po naroon. And hopefully, Pastor, is makapagbakasyon kayo. Pray to God na makapagbakasyon kayo, or hindi man kayo, kami makapunta dyan in God's will, perfect time. And ingat po kayo palagi, Pastor, and God bless po.
Happy Pastor's Appreciation Month, Pastor Alvin. God bless po.
Happy Pastor's Appreciation Month po, Pastor Alvin. We are grateful to the Lord kasi kayo po yung ginamit niya na instrument upang makilala po namin siya. Thank you po sa lahat ng mga tinuro po ninyo sa amin, maging po sa lahat ng mga advices. Mag-ingat po kayo dyan palagi nila Ate Clark. God bless po. We miss you, Pastor.
Hi, Pastor. Happy Pastor's Appreciation Month. Know that we are so much grateful and thankful to the Lord for your life dahil pinatunayan ng Diyos na ikaw ay naging instrumento upang lalong mapatatag at mag-grow ang aming faith. And we are so much thankful because you've been not just a mentor but our father in our faith. We thank the Lord for your life, and may God continue to bless you and use you in His ministry in New Zealand. We miss you, Pastor, and we hope to see you soon, and kunin mo na kami dyan. Charot! We love you, Pastor, and we miss you. Happy Pastor's Appreciation Month. God bless!
Happy Pastor's Appreciation Month po, Pastor Alvin. Ingat po kayo palagi, and God bless.
Hello po, Pastor Alvin May. Happy Pastor's Appreciation Month po, Pastor. Pray po na mas lalo po kayong pagpalain ni Lord sa lahat po. Sa family, sa health po ninyo. And dalayan ko po na mas marami pa po kayong mababahagian ng salita ni Lord. And mag-ingat po kayo dyan lagi. And kayo po buong family dyan po sa New Zealand. And I hope po to see you soon. And maraming salamat din po, Pastor Alvin, for sa turo po ninyo sa amin, sa mga kabataan po. And maraming salamat po sa lahat-lahat, Pastor. We are so thankful to the Lord for everything po na tinuro niyo po sa amin. And ulit po, Pastor Alvin, happy Pastor's Appreciation Month. God bless po, and ingat po kayo dyan lagi, Pastor.
Happy Pastor's Appreciation Month, Pastor Alvin Lopez. Ingat po kayo palagi dyan, and God bless po. At excited na po kami sa magiging baby girl ng family nyo. And I hope to see you soon, Pastor.
Happy Appreciation Month, Pastor Alvin!
Pastor, kumusta? I miss you! Pastor, happy Pastor's Day! And ingat dyan, Pastor. Nawa ay nasa magandang kalagayan kayo, Pastor.
Pastor Alvin, kumusta na po kayo dyan? Sana nasa mabuting may kayong kalagayan. Mag-ingat kayo palagi. God bless po.
Hello po, Pastor Alvin. We miss you so much po. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi dyan. Love na love po namin kayo.
We love you and we miss you, Pastor.
Happy Appreciation Month, Pastor Alvin! So, Pastor, kamusta na po? Miss na ka na namin dito. Naway lagi kang gabayan ni Lord. And laging safe ka. Pastor, stay foggy po. So, Pastor, we miss you and God bless you. Hi po, Pastor. Happy Pastor's Appreciation Month po, and ingat ka po dyan, lagi dyan. And Pastor, kung kailangan nyo na agriculturist dyan, pwede na. Graduate na ako ng college, Pastor.
Hi po, Pastor Alvin. Thank you for guiding and leading us to become a better version of ourselves. We miss you, Pastor. Hello, Pastor Alvin. Sana po okay ka na.
We thank you and we appreciate you. We love you from the Philippines to NZ.
Woo!